So I made a video last time about the camera smartphones and their video performance, the default video performance, and how you can improve it using Video Pro features or manual setups there. But some people misunderstood because I had the best of the best, the creme de la creme of the flagship smartphones here. And some were like saying, oh, that means you hate the Vivo, or that means the Vivo is the worst. No, it's not the case. I'm recording currently with the Vivo X100 Pro. It's like the best of the best top flagship smartphones. It's just nuances and differences with default rendering performance and colors and sharpness applied and such things, and what you can get out of it. So I'm using the cinematic portrait mode currently with the fake bokeh turned off, because this is a feature that you can do as well. And whatever else I set up in this setup to record this video, I will show right now, so you can get better video on your Vivo X100 Pro than maybe even all the other ones if you have the correct settings. And I will make it a series because all the other phones deserve such tweaking as well, where I tell you how to get better video performance out of your device. So let's get started. So the settings on the Vivo X100 Pro here that you have to take, you first go into your camera app, you go then to cinematic portrait, and then you can click this little wand there and choose your various different options here. And I chose the natural portrait, and usually when you go in here, you can control more stuff like the light spot, natural or cinematic size, which will go in 21:9 aspect ratio, I think. But I go with the natural one, which is 16:9. And then in color lot, I choose the natural portrait. And then you can set it up to 100%. So the effect will be taking 100%. But you can also choose it to be only 50%, which I set here. So this is only 50% then. And of course we can have some other options like exposure, but I didn't touch this at all here. All the other effects, like also the slow shutter, I didn't even touch there. So this is the one setting that I went with and that I would recommend here. So I'm using these settings right now, and as you can see here, we still have the window on my right here with a little bit, maybe tiny bit warmer kind of colors, because it's a bit of a sunnier day today. But how is the color cast on my face? How is my face looking? Do you see all the little wrinkles and all the little things like that are over sharpened here, or is it like a smoother kind of look that we have here with the Vivo X100 Pro in cinematic portrait with the settings that I told you about? Now, very important is, if you want to use cinematic portrait, keep in mind it is usually used for creating also cinematic bokeh, which is like fake bokeh. So it's like artificially rendering in bokeh, but you can turn off this fake bokeh rendering and then still use the different LUTs and different color profiles that are also helping with smoothing out the face a little bit if you want to. So this is one very important tip here on the Vivo X100 Pro to very simply improve your video performance with the default camera applications. Of course, you can install all the other different camera applications that are available that help you even to get better, even raw video shots if you want to. But I'm sticking to the default camera app here and the inbuilt features, and this is one of them. So what do you think about this one? Write it down in the comment section. That's everything for the short little video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Until the next time. Bye.